Hi everyone, this is Bergen, Norway, and it's kind of anomalous looking there, but I wanted to share it. I'm watching a video. I'm not going to put music on because I can't seem to concentrate. I'm watching Joanne STEEN2 channel, and she's in doing Easter Island. The statius, they have nipples apparently, and hats, red hats. And I can't make my way through the video because I can't quit laughing. But I've been trying. So, oh my goodness. If you haven't seen her channel, go watch this video. Joanne STEEN and a number 2. Somebody's gotten a hold of the boys and did things to them, I guess. It's pretty funny. She's got a thing with statues. She did the Thinking Man statue last year, about a year ago, about his pose. And actually, she was right. Everyone was researching it, you know. I'm going to have to cut this short. I'm not going to be able to do the video. I can't seem to be serious with this on. Oh my gosh. Okay. I just wanted to swing by and show this to you. I'm going to go finish her nipply video and I'll be back. Bye.